Welcome to 3 Minute Motivation. Today we're going to dive into a crucial topic: how to make better decisions in life. Every day we're faced with countless decisions. Some are small, like what to eat for breakfast, while others are life-changing, like choosing a career path. Good decisions lead to better outcomes and a happier life. So how do we make better decisions? Here are 5 practical tactics that you can start using today. Number 1, define your goals. Start by clearly defining your goals. What do you want to achieve? Knowing your end goal helps you make decisions that align with your long-term vision. Take a moment to write down your goals. Be specific. Instead of saying, I want to be healthy, say, I want to exercise 3 times a week and eat more vegetables. When your goals are clear, it's easier to see which choices will help you achieve them. Number 2, gather information. Good decisions are based on good information. Before making a choice, take the time to gather relevant facts and data. For example, if you're deciding on a new job, research the company, understand the role, and talk to current employees if possible. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to make an informed decision. Number 3, consider the pros and cons. Every decision has its advantages and disadvantages. Take a piece of paper and draw a line down the middle and list the pros on one side and the cons on the other. Seeing the benefits and drawbacks side by side can give you a clearer picture of what's at stake and help you weigh your options more effectively. Balance is key. Sometimes the cons outweigh the pros, and that's okay. It's part of making a well-rounded decision. Number 4, trust your gut. While it's important to be logical, don't ignore your intuition. Your gut feeling is often based on subconscious information that your brain has already processed. If something feels off, take a step back and reconsider. Trusting your intuition can sometimes lead you to the best decision. Your gut feeling is a powerful tool. Use it wisely. Number 5, take your time. Lastly, don't rush. Important decisions deserve thoughtful consideration. Give yourself the time you need to evaluate all aspects and make a choice that feels right. It's okay to sleep on it. Sometimes a little time can provide a new perspective and more clarity. Remember, hasty decisions often lead to regrets, but well thought out choices can pave the way to success. Making decisions is a skill that can be developed with practice. Define your goals, gather information, consider the pros and cons, trust your gut, and take your time. By applying these tactics, you'll be better equipped to make choices that lead to a more fulfilling and successful life. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on living your best life. Thanks for watching, and remember, every decision is a step towards your future. Make them count.